Hello. So updates for the coming workshops. We have a number of weekend workshops scheduled, and these will be covering a range of topics. They will all be online. This should make it a little bit easier for people to attend without needing to book time off work, accommodations, flights, etc. So the weekend workshops, there are quite a few of them. There's a series that covers the initiation into Hermetics process. This will be a 6-weekend series, and this will span September into October. The first 5 weekends are 2-day workshops, and the final weekend is a 3-day workshop. So that'll be a fun series if you're interested in that side of the training. There are a couple workshops looking at introductions to gemstone and crystal reading the energies of crystals and gemstones, as well as an introduction into charging them. And there's a 1-month Akasha workshop. And this workshop can be attended in the first 10 days, the first 14 days, or the full 30. And we'll be working quite extensively with the Akasha principle, looking at the infinity quality. It's quite common for work with the Akasha to be restricted to the yin phase of the infinity quality. So we will be looking at balancing the Akasha and not getting attached to our perceptions of Akasha, which is almost always our blockages to Akasha. So anyway, that'll be a lot of fun, and we'll be going quite deep with that. A number of the trainings do have prerequisites required, though many do not. So please double check when you're looking at the schedule which ones you're doing, and if there are prerequisites that you need to attend prior to doing the retreat that you might want to do. All right, so hopefully we'll see you there. These are all, once again, online, and should be a lot of fun. All right, practice. Bye.